miss you so much. You guys, oh my gosh, I really miss you. Thank you guys so much for waiting patiently for me to get myself together, get back in the swing of things, get back home. I have so much to tell you guys. Excuse the face. I had to do no makeup because you know my face is still healing up. But today we have a highly requested, highly anticipated video. We have a deep fried hot Cheeto seafood boil. We have lobster tail. We have prawn shrimp. Look how big that is. We have king crab. We have hard-boiled eggs tossed in the Cheeto sauce. We have QuttieQue sauce. Tomorrow we're gonna do the cheese sauce because I'm gonna close the month out with the Cheeto trim. We have some water. We have our eatwithque apple cider vinegar capsules. I'm gonna take that now for you. The link for these will be in the description box, and thank you to everybody who has been purchasing. I really appreciate it. Okay, you guys, I am so hungry. I'm gonna eat a little bit and then, I'm gonna start talking to you guys as I get full. So here we go. Oh my goodness, you guys want the first bite? Here you go. That's good. That is really good. So good. You guys look how big that is. That is huge. It's so good with the QuttieQue sauce. I miss you guys so much. I had a ball in Atlanta. I had so much fun, you guys. Went shopping. I ate so much food there. I got a tattoo. I'll show you guys my tattoo. If you haven't seen it, it's on Instagram. But right now it's healing up and it's looking crusty. And you guys can't really see it that good. But it's a tattoo of a mermaid in the ocean. And it has seahorses and just basically like the ocean, basically, with the mermaid. Oh my God. This is delicious. You guys, I ate so much. I had dinner with a QuttieQue. His name is Jonathan and his mom. Shout out to them. That was amazing. It was such a great time. Atlanta has beautiful weather. I'm back home now, so it's cold. But I never had to wear a coat the entire time I was there. And that was very nice. I also went and had my consultation with Dr. Curves, who will be doing my body. Yes, you guys, I'm getting my body done. I'm super excited about that. I've been wanting this since I was like 18 years old. And now it's finally here. I'm so excited. It's so good. I missed y'all so much. I'm happy to be home. My journey getting home was a mess, you guys. I flew with Spirit. And never again. I will never fly with them again. They are the absolute worst airline. And I had no idea. My flight was supposed to leave at 7. And at 7, well, we were supposed to be boarding at 7. And at 7, they tell us that our flight is delayed until 11:53 p.m. They tell us that right before we're about to board. They switched our gate. And we had to move to another gate, and the people that was from the other gate that we were switching to, they came to where we were. You guys, it was a mess. An absolute mess. Terrible, terrible customer service. They don't tell you nothing. We were all worried. That is so good. Have y'all tried this hot Cheeto yet? So good. It's so good. So 11:53 comes around, and they tell us it's delayed again till 12:19. And we're like, what is going on? So it was down for maintenance. They had to, first they told us it was maintenance, which I think they be lying because they was coming back with a different story every time. So they said it was down for maintenance. And I'm like, well, I don't feel comfortable getting on there. What kind of maintenance is it? So 12:19, they telling everybody that there's a part that has to fly from Detroit because there was something that the plane needed to back up or something like that. So they had to install that piece, and we're sitting there waiting. Finally, it's like 1:30, we get on the plane, and we're sitting there for even longer, and we're sitting there, we're ready to go, and he tells us that it's going to be a little bit longer because they have to take the fuel off the plane because this plane was supposed to go to Vegas. And I'm thinking, why wasn't this stuff already done? First of all, y'all gave us a plane that we weren't supposed to originally go on. we're all supposed to be going to Philly. So y'all gave us somebody else's plane that was supposed to go to Vegas. Now we have to sit here longer while y'all take the fuel off. Oh my God, I will never fly with Spirit ever again. And I hope they see this video because it's absolutely ridiculous what they did. They did nothing to accommodate us. They didn't give us no free drink. They had a nerve to be sitting up here asking us, do we want to buy something from y'all? I don't want to buy nothing from y'all. The flight attendant sitting there saying y'all want something to drink. Y'all need to be giving us complimentary drinks. All this time we've been sitting here, they didn't apologize. The customer service was crappy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Never, ever, 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 ever. I was just looking up flights to Atlanta and they popped up and they was the first ones that popped up. And I'm like, okay, let me just go with them. I will never just do that again. I will read reviews. I would do whatever I have to do because that was like the worst experience. I'm tired. I'm on my way home. I was sitting in that airport for hours. This Dr. Chow tastes so good fried. Y'all, I'm so serious. I've never experienced anything like that in my life. They didn't even care. And I just felt so bad, like, I felt so bad. It was one lady there, she was like, I have to get home to my mother. My mom is in critical condition and there's nothing that she could do. And then I went up there and I was like, well, can I get a refund? Like, what can we do? Is there any other flights anywhere else? They was like, yeah, we can give you a refund, but you won't be able to catch this flight. I'm telling y'all, the worst experience ever. But overall, the trip was amazing. I had a great time. I got my first tattoo, which was a half sleeve, you guys. Everybody was telling me, oh my God, you can't get a half sleeve for your first tattoo. It's gonna hurt. It's worse than labor pain. You guys, it's really not that bad. I really enjoyed my tattoo experience. The traffic in Atlanta is crazy. But everybody was saying that Atlanta is the place to go if you have dreams of doing music or anything. You can really, or at business or anything like that, you can really make it big in Atlanta. So I'm thinking about it. I am thinking about it. The highlight of the trip was meeting my QuttieQue Jonathan and his mom. Amazing hand cookies. She has the best cookies in the world. The best cookies I ever had. And she's just so sweet. And we had such a great time. And also Angela. Shout out to Angela. And I also met a QuttieQue in the airport. So shout out to you. So now I'm excited because I'm home. I had dinner with my mom yesterday, and that was amazing. Shout out to Mama QuttieQue. And I really just want to give a shout out to you all. Oh, excuse me. I love each and every one of you so much. Thank you so much for your positivity. Just experiencing the concerts with me, you guys. You guys know that I experienced my very first concert. I went to the LMA concert and I went to the Meek Mill concert, and it was absolutely amazing. LMA is so beautiful in person. Now, my concert experience, it was great, but I will not be doing general admission anymore. My tickets were general admission because I had never experienced a concert before, and I really wanted to experience it up close and personal. But the LMA concert was fine, but the Meek Mill, he brought a different crowd, and I just didn't like people bum rushing you, squeezing through the crowd, you know, having to leave and go to the bathroom or whatever, and then trying to get back to your spot. You're not going to be able to get up there. Like, why do you think that you can squeeze your big behind past everybody? There's nowhere to go. And there's so many people doing that, and they trying to squeeze back in their spot. So I would rather be up in the balcony sitting down, and plus it was people throwing up, people passing out. It was a mess. But overall, it was a really, really good experience. But yes, I'm going to be going concert crazy. I'm having so much fun. I'm doing things that I never thought would be possible, you guys. And everything is just happening so fast. So amazing. We got BeautyCon on the 6th and the 7th of April. Then I'll be in New Orleans. And then I'll be in Memphis May 1st. So I'm pretty much, the rest of this year is pretty much booked up, you guys, and I can't believe it. I'm so thankful for you guys. I wish I could hug my camera and you feel the love. But I'm home, I'm safe. Oh, let me tell you about the cats. Oh my gosh. So I missed my cats, and I was so excited to get home to see them. And I was asking my boyfriend, do you think they're gonna greet me? What do you think? He was just like, I don't know. So I walked in the house, and I'm just so excited to see them. I was thinking that I was standing in the middle of the living room, and I was thinking that they were gonna come and greet me. So I walk in, and there's crickets. They are nowhere to be found. And then when they finally came downstairs, it was like, okay, you know, I see you, but okay. Oh my gosh, my cats are so ignorant. And then my one cat, who's very sassy, she didn't even come downstairs. I go upstairs in my room, and she's sitting down on her little bed, like, okay. I'm like, hey, baby bear. And she's like, she gonna turn her head and not even look at me. Oh my gosh, my feelings were hurt so bad. I'm like, oh my gosh, how can I be gone for 8 days and y'all act like I never even left? Like, y'all act like I'm a stay-at-home cat mom. Okay, I'm a stay-at-home cat mom. So you would think that they would have missed me. They did not even miss me, y'all. I was so hurt. I am so full, you guys. I I love you guys so much. So much. We're going to close this month out. Y'all surprise should be here tomorrow. So we're going to do that. But we're going to close this month out. If y'all want Cheeto stuff, let me know. We got like 4 days left in the month, I think. So just let me know what y'all want to see. I love you guys so much. I thank you so much for my safe travels that you guys gave me. Thank you guys for communicating with me while I was in Atlanta. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Mwah. Hey you guys, so I am on my way out the door to have dinner with 2 subscribers. I am super excited. I'm catching an Uber and I'm going to go to dinner. I'm so excited, you guys. We're going to QuttieQue Hibachi. QuttieQue Hibachi, you guys. And they have like sushi and it's like a hibachi grill and it's really nice. So you guys are going to get to see me have dinner with 2 lovely people. The one person's name is Angela and the other lady's name, she's on Instagram, and her son. And hold on you guys, I'm trying to put my shoes on. I'm trying to get myself together. And I think my Uber's here. We'll pick you up. John will pick you up in 6 minutes. Okay. So that was my Uber driver saying he's gonna pick me up in 6 minutes. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so fortunately your driver had to cancel. We're getting you another driver. Oh my gosh. They getting on my nerves. My Uber driver gonna cancel on me. All right, you guys, so I got an Uber, but my Uber is saying that I have to walk up to the nearest corner. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just so excited to have dinner. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I'm so excited, you guys. And I am in the beautiful Atlanta. Hi, how are you?
Good.
It was telling me to walk down the street.
Okay, yeah, you chose Express Pool. You're right. I'm Byron. How are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm Q.
Yeah.
So that was my first time doing the Uber thing. So I don't know. What is Express Pool?
Express Pool
Is when multiple people can come in?
True, but the
Just
operative
ahead, make a
word
left turn on Pryor Road
express.
Southwest.
So, for instance, let's say if there was a concert at Lakewood. There's a large crowd of people.
Yeah.
Make a
people
left
all
turn on
along
Pryor
the
Road
street.
Southwest, then make a right turn on Meadow Lane Southwest.
Uber will line up rides that are not at a particular address, but at this corner.
Gotcha.
Then the next corner, as
Okay.
opposed to going up into a venue and trying to find a person.
Gotcha.
Right. Express
Okay.
Pool.
So were you going to the house? Because it told me to walk.
No.
Okay.
I was going, well, I've already advanced the app. It was at the corner of You were ahead of where you were supposed to be.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'm from Delaware. This is my first time in Atlanta.
Oh, okay.
And I am a YouTuber, so I'm gonna go have dinner with 2 of my subscribers. So I'm super excited about that.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Get you some air. And what's your channel?
Eat with Q.
Eat with Q.
Yes.
Okay.
So I eat for a living.
All right. Well, you look good doing it.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Atlanta is beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Yeah.
Everybody's so friendly.
Oh yeah,
I'm not used to people being so friendly.
That's that Southern hospitality.
Yes. Are you from here?
Savannah originally.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Been here for
Make a right
since
turn on Meadow
2008.
Lane Southwest.
Okay. I'm loving it so much. I'm actually considering moving here.
Oh yeah. Come.
You
quick
think so?
now. Yeah, come now.
They say it's a great place to be.
Yeah, come now while the real estate prices are not high.
Yeah.
They're getting higher though. I mean, there's a lot of folk coming here.
So I chose Express Pool, you guys.
Mark, you can sit up front if you want, man. It's up to you. There's more leg room. How y'all doing? Good.
Hi.
Head to your drop off at Campbellton Road SW at Oakland. Make a right turn on Pryor Road
I really
Southwest.
don't want to give up the room.
Well, you know, sometimes people funny about, you know, like sitting in the front seat.
This is Camp Creek Marketplace. Oh, there it is, Juicy Crab.
Yeah. It's really good too.
Yeah, I've dropped off quite.
Do you like seafood?
Yeah, I love seafood.
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
It was very nice meeting you.
Oh, yeah,
Make sure you check out the channel,
Yeah,
Eat with Q. Yes, you will see it pop up immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you. Thank you so much for your Southern hospitality, and you take care. Okay, you guys. So I'm here, and I'm just waiting for Angela to get here. So we are at QuttieQue Japanese Steakhouse. This is what it looks like. And let me see if Angela is in here yet. But we just need a table for 4.
Okay, it's about an hour and 20 minutes.
Cute. Thank you. So you guys, I'm about to text Angela and see when she's gonna get here because I'm the only one here, so I will let you guys know what's next. Jonathan and we have Sean, amazing hand cookies, you guys. She has the best cookies in the whole wide world. Where can they find you?
Amazing Hands Cookies on Instagram and Facebook.
Yes. So we're here having dinner. She's nervous, you guys. I told her, don't be nervous. There's nothing to be nervous about. So we're super excited. We're waiting for one more person to get here and then we're gonna sit down to eat. We're so hungry.
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Jonathan, are you hungry?
All right. Go back to shrimp scallop. Cute chicken, cute shrimp. Salmon. Lobster. Lobster tail. Go down the street now to
Yeah, $20. That deal, I give you half off.
He ordered the lobster, honey.
Fire in the hole.
And you know what's so good about him is there's not a lot of kid mukbangers.
No, I only see maybe two.
Yeah, me too. Only like 2 or 3.
I'll move that napkin, please. 2 fried rice. 1 fried rice. Come in, push it forward. Yeah. Eight more please come to be exact.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go, man. All right. Appetizer. I go too fast, huh?
Is it good, boo?
There you go, man.
Yeah.
Good?
Just the lobster. You are blessed, little boy. Did you check out Lennox Mall?
I haven't. I'm gonna go there tomorrow. Is it nice?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there tomorrow.
Right there, right there. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Oh!
Not a fumble. One more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hey, there you go. Come on, man. You gotta listen to a woman, man. Ready? All right. Up. There you go. Baby.
I'll do it. I'll do
You
it.
do it. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Up. Oh! You gotta taste of that one. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hey, there you go.
Oh!